Hi, my name is Priya, and this is my Cookie Monster.
Hey guys! So, it's me, Karis.
And Sophie.
And we made
Mr. Harmon trapped in a hydro flask.
And then I made Mrs. Harmon, who says I found you, and she won't help him out because
she can take his
job.
math job.
Hello, Mr. Harmon's Instagram. I made this robber turtle with his money bag, and then of course I had to take some eggs and make baby robber turtles coming out of their little ponds where their eggs are. And then there's all of the little robber turtles that all have their own money bag, and then we go from the house back.
I'm Cooper Rabai, and this is my awesome town build. I have my 3 1932 Bugattis and my little 2 stores. Inside of my store at Kohl's.
My tetrahedral kite that I made out of tissue paper, straws, and string.
So right now we are working on a tetrahedral kite, and this is our first cell, and it's part of a bigger piece that's going to become this, and then that. So this is just one piece. We have a lot to go, but right now it's looking good.
This is my house. Here's my house with the little dress on it, and the little video game arcade with the little plant. The TV with HLModTech, the little couch over there, the mailbox, street name, trampoline.
Hey guys, today I made a turtle enclosure in flight in space. It's pretty lit. I got the turtle, he's happy, he's got his food. It's pretty cool.
My name's Ryder. I'm in Mr. Harmon's flight and space class. Here's the capsule where the 3 astronauts are staying. Right here is the little hook thing that holds the rocket before it launches. Colored fins. We have pink, yellow, black, and green. My rocket is soybean. There are the thrusters and the launch pad that I made.
Hi, welcome back. So today I have a turtle slash little chickie slash a bunny. See over here, it says look at all those chickens.
My name's Angeli. This is King Sam, the turtle. He has a crown.
Mr. Harmon's class. Shout out to Mr. Harmon and HLModTech. I just made this awesome plane with a hanger in it. I'm in Mr. Harmon's class. Shout out to him on HLModTech. I'm doing a video from Google Earth Pro with an airplane. It's pretty hard, but once you watch this video, it tells you all the things you need to do, and it's pretty funny.
Hi guys! Today we're showing you our turtles, so let's show you Julia's first. Okay, so this is my turtle. It's quite amazing. So yeah. And this is my turtle, and it has a mustache.
After learning how to make pixel art in Mr. Harmon's 5th hour class, I went home and I made this raven skin from a game, and it took me about 2 hours with a break in between for dinner. It's fun.
Hey guys, this is Mark in Mr. Harmon's class, and I made this cool castle. And the princess in there, her name is Gertrude. I think it's cool because I hollowed everything out.
This is I and Spencer from Mr. Harmon's HLModTech class. As you can see here, he used the plastic from his printers over here that melted, and he cooled it, and then he used his laser cutter to cut it into a puzzle. And the biggest problem was this piece and this piece got mixed up because the 2 corner pieces that wouldn't go in place.
We're in flight in space with Mr. Harmon, and we made our tetrahedral kite. We learned how to make this for Mr. Harmon. It's super cool. And it's rainy outside, so we can't fly it outside, so we had to use these fans here to make some wind so we can fly it.
Hello everybody, it's
the Chungus here, back with another Instagram photo thingy that I do a lot.
Here we got my swag-delicious kite thingy, the tetrahedric kite. It's got the 3 pyramids on the bottom and 1 on the top to make it look like the Triforce from The Legend of Zelda, the Link thingy.
Hey guys, we're in space, making a computer kite this time. We got all 3 done except for this one. We just have to try and top like that, and then it'll be ready to fly.
Can't wait. What's up guys, today we're here at HLModTech and we made this also tetrahedral kite, and we use 6 straws on each triangle.
We use tissue paper and rope to tie the stuff all together. We use some glue to glue it together.
And this is what it looks like when it's flying. And I hope you guys enjoyed and subscribe to HLModTech.
Make sure you like and subscribe to HLModTech on YouTube. And you will get happy like this guy.
Everyone, I'm back, and this is the Save the Turtles turtle. And so, as you can see, we have, and now you can see the turtles. Hey guys, welcome back to an HLModTech Instagram video. And today, I am showing you how to fly in Google Earth Pro. So I am flying from my old house to my old school that I used to live in Colorado. And right now, I'm above one of our main subdivisions. Very huge, if you couldn't tell. Very huge. But our school is just right along this pathway.
Hello HLModTech followers, it's Elena, and I made a Mr. Potato Head, so let's get cracking. So I used the flippers to make the legs and feet. Egg in different shapes to make the eyes and nose, and I used a mustache to make the mustache.
Christopher, and I'm in Mr. Harmon's 4th hour class, and I made a tetrahedral kite out of a tetrahedral kite out of a tetrahedral kite.
My name's Rory, and I did this cool pastel turtle, and I made a baby turtle to go with it, and a pool. And there's a little boy with it that he's looking at his nose, and he has an ice cream cone while saying hello.
Kalani, and something you can do to multiply another number is if you type equal sign. If you click the equal sign and then you click say 3, and then you do the plus sign, let's say 17, and then you press enter and you'll get 20. Now that's one cool trick Mr. Harmon taught me.
Welcome to HLModTech Instagram. Here we have a tetrahedral kite.
My name is Joaquin, and I am in Mr. Harmon's class, and in my free time I got to do this. It is an army car with 4 people can fit in it, and as you can see in the front, there's 2 people. These 3 guys on each side are protecting the car, and you can see that the people are on top watching the top area.
Hi, my name is Ryder, and today I made an egg and Tinkercad. I made it by hollowing out the eggs, then making another egg yellow, and then just putting it in between the 2 eggs, and that's how I made an egg. Subscribe to HLModTech.
Hi, my name is Owen. I made a family of turtles. Papa turtle, Mama turtle, that's a little glitchy, and then baby turtle.
My name's Callan. I'm in Mr. Harmon's Fight in Space class. I made a turtle named Karen. She has a succulent and a diamond on top to represent her drip. She has a cross to represent her Christianity. She has an ice cream cone, because ice cream cones are pretty cool, right, Owen? Right. Yeah. So
Hey guys! So we made it's me, Karen. And we made Mrs. Harmon, and Mr. Harmon, and that's a heart.
And they love each other.
So, see you tomorrow!
World, my name is Tristan. I'm in Mr. Harmon's 1st hour academy class, and he taught us some things about Tinkercad, so I thought I'd make a joke. What came first, the chicken or the egg? #fried.
and back at it again with the best console in the world.
I wouldn't
Because
agree
you know,
with that.
no one likes PS4.
I wouldn't agree with that.
If you know what console it is, just comment down below.
Hello, Mr. Harmon's Instagram. This is I'm here to show you my tetrahedral kite.
Puppy dog wardrobe malfunction. She actually got her stick stuck in her collar. Come here, big girl. Problem averted. Leave it, big girl. And we'll turn it into a toy. Good job, big girl.